Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily make your Instagram account private in 2024. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, open up the Instagram app on your phone. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to tap on your profile on the bottom right corner and then tap on those three lines on the top right corner to head over to the settings. Now once you're on this page, you will be able to find an option of account privacy in who can see your content section. You will have to tap on account privacy, and on the top you will be able to find an option of private account, and it says that when your account is public, your profile and posts can be seen by anyone on or Instagram as well as on other platforms, even if they don't have an Instagram account. When your account is private, only the followers that you approve can see what you share, including your photos, videos, or hashtags and location pages. So if you want to make your account private, all you'll have to do is to toggle this option on and then tap on switch to private, and now your account is being turned to private account. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the